Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of exporting a thread via Messenger in X. If you want to share a conversation or a thread from X with your Messenger contacts, we'll show you how to do it seamlessly. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the specific thread or conversation that you want to share. Step 3. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards, and then select Share Via from the options that appear. Step 4. In the sharing options, locate and tap on the Messenger option. X will now open Messenger, allowing you to select the contacts or groups you want to share the thread with. By following these simple steps, you can easily export a thread via Messenger in X, making it convenient to share conversations, collaborate, or simply engage with your Messenger contacts. Sharing threads on Messenger provides a quick and direct way to keep the conversation going, share valuable information, or involve others in the discussion. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to export a thread via Messenger in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.